Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you something really important in the busy event called a garden. How to convert honey seed into seeds that you can actually plant in your main garden. First of all, just go to this incubator. Just go to on this area, and then as you already know, most seeds in this event come in honey versions like this. You can see it like this. And the problem is this honey seeds can only be used in this honey garden, and this is where the incubator comes in. It will allow you to transform those honey seeds into permanent seeds that can be planted in your main garden. So just place your honey seed into this incubator. Just take your seed and then just tap on insert seed like this. And then in here you must pay it with the honey coins. Every seed maybe has a different cost. In here I want to turn my carrot seed, and it costs 25 honey coins. So just tap on the start incubator and then just tap on confirm, and then just wait for the process. The process time depends on rarity, on your plant, on your seed rarity, and maybe it start from 4 minutes up to maybe 12 hours. And when it's done, your seed becomes permanent and it will ready to plant your main garden. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.